is Cooking with Calculus. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Johan.
Hello, I'm Amy, your camera woman.
I'm Eric.
I don't like you.
Who are you?
I'm Kayla Ma. Hey, Amy. What? Oh, hi! We really do math most of the time.
We use 1 egg per cookie.
I'm separating the yolk from the whites.
Shelby, why don't you explain how you're separating the egg and the yolk?
You just
I
toss
was
it.
taught to crack the egg on the egg.
You toss it between the shells like that, and then get rid of all the like goopy yolk.
Ooh. Here
You
you
did
go.
wash your hands before you did
No, I didn't. I'm just kidding.
that. All right, one down.
Hey, do you have the brown sugar?
Make sure you throw away your eggs.
I'm like actually doing calculus.
And now we add the brown sugar. Who wants to open it?
Salt is important.
Kayla just had a math breakthrough.
Shelby is still making yolks.
Dispose of your eggs properly.
It's right here.
Do we have a
butter?
butter
Yumi
knife?
has the butter.
Did anyone bring a knife?
Soften the butter.
Do you feel that? That is not soft.
Tell the people why
Fine,
you need to
everybody.
soften the butter.
Because it's not soft. All right, it's really soft now. The butter is soft. See? It's like an iPhone 6.
butter, John.
So
I
she's
bet
putting
if
the
you
butter
combine,
into the
like,
cups.
some culinary
Here are what our cups look like.
with like
That's white sugar,
Not
brown
like-
sugar, and eggs.
I don't
The cups have been sufficiently
3
egged.
tablespoons
So now-
per cup.
This is how you mix.
Yeah.
Ooh. I mean, ooh.
Hey, who wants to go to the bathroom?
Not
Oh, it
really.
looks so.
That's your cookie.
Oh.
We're learning about derivatives.
Hello.
You're gonna get like the artery plotting.
Wow.
Look at that.
Look at all that work she did.
More letters and numbers.
So we're taking about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and putting it in.
There's no butter.
See the
should you have put the
difference.
butter?
So your goal when mixing should try to be to get as few butter lumps in there as possible and get it as smooth as possible. Because otherwise you'll get gigantic chunks of melted butter in your cookie.
So we're heading to the bathroom.
to flush the egg whites down the toilet.
Okay.
So you put 3 of those in there.
I feel like yours had more whipped cream.
Yours doesn't look like it got flour in it.
How much flour do you need in it?
You need 3 tablespoons.
You just gotta use your muscle.
40 seconds, you said? I want it kind of doughy.
What's it look like?
This is Umahani's cookie.
This is my cookie. It smells like a pancake.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Mine doesn't look as good as yours.
My cookie does not look as
Product
yummy,
will be
but
back after eating.
Is that hot?
Ah! It
Does it taste like
I'm scared. I don't know. How's the cookie, Brianna?
Moist.
Yeah.
delicious.
That's really good.
It's really good.
Try my first cookie.
Never mind. Goodbye.
Bon travail.
Say Trey Blanc.
Okay. Yumi, how's your cookie?
We've got 13 seconds left on Miss McGinnity's cookie, the most important cookie we will ever make. Critical
3,
moments.
2, 1. This is what the cookie looks like.
Shelby. Hey, that's pretty cookie-ish. That tastes pretty good.
What grade would you give us?
I would have to say that it's pretty good. An A. I would give you guys an A.
The only A we'll ever get. Way better than Waffle Day.